Hi there! Welcome to Digistart. This is the video tutorial about Avidemux. Avidemux is a free video editor and converter. It is not really designed for beginners, but it is not too hard to get your head around with a little effort. Avidemux is available for Linux, BSD, Microsoft Windows, and Mac OS. And it is designed for simple cutting, filtering, and encoding tasks. It supports many file types, including AVI, DVD compatible, MPEG files, and MP4. It has one of the only graphic user interfaces, or GUI, for encoding files that works on different platforms. It is quite advanced in what it can do, but is not the most user-friendly of applications. However, there are some presets available, and it is possible to save custom settings that may make it easier for beginner users to operate. First, we'll have to get the installer and install the Avidemux. Now we have to click this image to download the Avidemux, then click keep to make it download until it's done for a while. Great. Oh, it's done. Now we have to execute the file. Run. Then you will see the window for the installation. Click next. This is the agreement information about the software. When all you have to do is to click agree. Don't have to change anything in here, so click next to set default. Then these are the options to create icons for the desktop, start new, quick launch for, just click next. Then this is the folder name to be appeared in program files. Then all you have to do is click next. Click next, install. Now it's already installed. Let us just wait for it to be done. Now it's finished. Let's run the Avidemux now. This is the environment of the Avidemux.